Welcome to the new section. In this lecture, we are going to preview the new outro style that we are going to design using Microsoft PowerPoint. Here, we have used two different styles of animation sets to animate our next YouTube outro style. Those two animation effects are transitions and then our normal animation effect. First, let's have a preview. So this is the next simple and decent YouTube outro that we are going to design in this section. The essential thing that you should note here is these simple animations or these simple YouTube outros are to make you aware of how you can create a simple and decent YouTube outros within a matter of 2 to 3 minutes, and also to teach you some essential concepts such as how to format the background, how to add video, how to animate them, how to duplicate a slide, how to trim a video which plays for more than 10 seconds. So once you have got accustomed to these simple concepts, then we will move to the three most complex and mind-blowing YouTube outros in the upcoming sections. In the next lecture, you will learn how to change the style of YouTube outro 1 that we saw in the previous section to this YouTube outro style which we have previewed just now.